kinaya tayo in 2016 at hindi nila tayo kakayanin in 2025.
Yes!
No force stronger in the world than the way we love President Duterte and the way we love Inday Sara. At maraming salamat po. Senator Bato, Senator Go, thank you kasi tumatakbo kayo. Thank you Sir Ipen, thank you Sir Jimmy, because they're running. Bakit hindi sila tumitigil? Kasi tignan nyo, nag-run si Inday online, the only thing they can come up is kasuhan siya. Bakit? In spite of the rant, dami nagsasabi, she shouldn't have done that, shouldn't have done that. Hindi. Imbis na mawalan ng loob ang mga tao, nabuhayan tayo.
Yes.
Ano yan? Hindi nyo ba nakikita, we are coming together. Why do they have to keep doing this? Kasi padating ang 2025 elections, and the one thing that is stopping them from absolute victory is us.
Yes.
Tayo yun. Kumapit tayo. Naniniwala tayo, we want the governance that we got from 2016 to 2022. Gusto natin safe yung kalye. Gusto natin may healthcare. Miss na miss ko yung 100 million a month sa PGH.
Yes.
Namimiss ko yung free speech. Diba? Hindi, kung tlola lang, di ba, lahuraan na lang tayo online. Okay lang yun because that is free speech. Pero anong ginagawa nila ngayon? Kinakasuhan tayo. Imagine nyo, nagpatawag ng vloggers, pinagsusumbong congressmen against vloggers. Bakit? Nasaktan sila. Nasaktan sila and we keep going. Hindi nila tayo na-convince. Yung iba sa atin nilapitan, inofera ng pera, tinanggap ba? No. Hindi malunok eh. Ang hirap. So think of it this way, it's not a bad thing that they keep coming after us. It means nandito tayo, it means we are so strong. The only thing they can throw at us is money. O sige, may pera sila. Pero hindi nila mabili ito paninindigan natin. Bakit tayo nandito? Yung mga kakampi natin, maswerte tayo, may mga senador tayo. But beyond that, sino pa kakampi natin? Who are still in power? Tinanggal lahat ng Duterte appointees. Tinanggal lahat ng mga related sa mga Duterte. Tinanggal lahat ng anybody who said anything nice about former President Duterte or Vice President Inday Sara. Tinanggal na nila lahat sa gobyerno. Walang in power, pero takot pa rin sila sa atin. Where is that fear coming from? The fear na hindi sila mahal eh. Hindi nila mabili yung pagmamahal. Diba? Bakit? Diba? Bakit nakaandar tayo? In 2016, the odds were against Duterte. Mayor siya ng Davao City, never held a national position, pero from mayor of Davao City, naging presidente. Bakit? Kasi nandun tayo. But don't forget how powerful you are. That we were able to pluck a man from Davao City and put him in the presidency kasi dala niya yung mga pangarap natin. So this is not a wake. This is not a funeral unless it's theirs.
Yes.
Bring natin sila. We are not here to celebrate their victory because they're going down. That's why they're fighting us so hard because they don't know how to love and we have not loved them. No force stronger in the world than the way we love President Duterte and the way we love Inday Sara. At maraming salamat po. Senator Bato, Senator Go, thank you kasi tumatakbo kayo. Thank you Sir Ipen, thank you Sir Jimmy, because they're running. Hindi ko kaya.
Sa president state na.
Grabe. Ano naman tayo? So, bakit? We need them there. We need somebody in power who will be our voice. Kasi yung mga nakalagay sa pwesto, they don't speak for us. In fact, kalaban natin sila. Siyempre mo kinakasuhan na vloggers. Mantakin mo yung pikon ng isang tao, magsusumbong sa NBI, minamalain kami ng vloggers. Really? Congressman ka, may immunity ka, may pera ka, may power of the purse ka, may influence ka. Ang gaganda ng mga kotse nyo. Tapos tayo, hamak na vlogger, natatakot sila. Nasasaktan sila.
Galing ang pangaraw natin, di ba? Kasi nagsubong sa NBI.
Akala nila, hindi tayo hakalap. So that is my point. We're not here because, natatalo tayo. We're here because we're fighting. We're here kasi hindi nila kinaya tayo in 2016 at hindi nila tayo kakayanin in 2025.
Yes!
We're going to have a wake for them, for their candidates. Be here because we're strong. Be here because we're fighting. Be here because we have already established president. Kaya lang naman nanalo yung mga yan, tinulungan natin. So from this point on, nothing for them. Diba? Gusto na bumili ng boto, tanggapin yung pera, di pa rin natin sila boboto.
Mismo.
And nothing, no amount of money that they give out, no amount of paninira that they make sa atin is going to make us lose our faith. Kasi nakita na natin, 2016 to 2022, alam natin, nakita na natin what we could have.
Yes.
Hindi perfect. Pero given a few more years, with malasakit, with a lowered crime rate, with investor confidence, with good relations internationally, paano tayo matatalo? We were on our way. O sige, may stop over tayo para dito sa mga to. Pero hindi na ito mauulit, di ba?
Yes. No more.
So, pangako natin, kahit man lang sa sarili natin, para sa mga apo sa tuhod, or all of them, ayusin na natin to. Nagkamali tayo, pero this is the time na ayusin natin, we reckon with it, and understand, they're fighting us because we are strong.
Yes.
They're fighting us. They're trying to discredit us. They're trying to discredit them. They're trying to discredit Inday. They're trying to discredit the former president. Because they know, deep inside them, na ang pinaglaanan natin, hindi lang panahon, pagmamahal eh.
Yes.
And tingnan mo, it's true, it's genuine affection, it's genuine love. Ang dali naman natin pagpaligayahin, di ba? Nagpakita ng serbisyo, tinawid tayo through the pandemic. Dami natin reklamo at the time. Malay ba natin nalalala yung sitwasyon, di ba? Pero, it means na we are a worthy opponent. In fact, so worthy, mananalo tayo. Hindi ako nagdududa na if we just return to the 2016 attitude that we had, yung alam natin panalo tayo. Nothing is going to stop this. Kumbaga, the Duterte idea, its time has come. Ito na yun. Na-off track tayo, kamali tayo, budol ka. Nabudol tayo sandali, pero hindi na mauulit yun.
Mismo.
Mani-never again sila. Yung totoong never again na. Yung totoong na hindi na natin i-cover. Parang awa nila, ha?
Ano naglagay? Tayo ng palit.
Correct. So, fire up. Hindi tayo talo. Kaya tayo binabakbakan kasi ang lakas natin.
Mismo.
Kaya tayo binabakbakan kasi hindi nila ma-erase yung Duterte. Andyan sina Sir Bong, andyan sina Sir Bato. Buti na lang nandyan pa sila.
Buti na lang.
So, can we ensure na nandyan pa rin sila?
Yes! Dadagdagan pa natin.
Correct. Yeah. And more. And more. Find it inside you. Alam ko malungkot tayo, kanina. Pero hindi dapat tayo malungkot. Ibig sabihin nito, we must realize, tandaan nyo, ginagawa nila to sa atin kasi ang lakas natin.
Yes.
At hindi sila makakasucceed. Not in this short time. They don't have enough time. Kasi galit na tayo. Sobra na rin sila. So yun lang po, please, don't forget na malakas tayo. Don't think na natalo tayo kasi may pera sila. Wala nga tayong pera noong 2016 eh.
Mismo.
Tayo gumagawa ng signs. Tayo nagkukusa mag-post. Tayo mismo, hindi nga tayo magkakakilala nun eh. Ngayon na lang tayo nagkakilala tayo. Papanalo na. Doon lang tayo nagkita-kita. Presidente na si PRD noon. Doon na lang. Ibig sabihin, separately, ang lakas na natin, ano pa kaya tayo together? Mapipigil pa ba nila tayo?
Never.
Sipin mo ha, bumuhos na ng pera galing sa Kongreso para sa popularity nila, para sa programa nila. Namimigay na sila, harapan na, namimigay na ng pera, di ba? Wala nang hiyaan, di na serbisyo, pera na lang niransyahan. Di pa rin sila nananalo. Kailangan pa rin nilang i-operate tayo. Kailangan pa rin nilang siraan sina Sir Bong, sina Sir Bato. So, one thing, ito practical, practical consideration lang. Kung nag-privilege speech si Sir Bato tungkol dun sa Tingog,
Yes.
paki-repost. Umpisahan natin doon. Bakit? Diretsong pitik yan sa kanila eh. Ibig sabihin, nakikita na natin, come on, harap-harapan, di na sila nagbabali magsinungaling sa atin. Nakita na nila, di ba? So, can we start, mga practical things like that. Ilabas natin yung mga privilege speeches nila, i-break down natin para dun sa mga mamamayan na hindi nila kakayanin yung ideas. Break it down for them. Simple lang. Bakit ang Tingog nakikialam sa PhilHealth? And so on. Hindi lang ito yung example, ang dami pang examples. Babuyan ba? Magaling tayo dyan.
Yes naman.
Yung balahuraan, We invented that game.
Correct.
And we will win this one.
Mismo.
Okay? Don't forget. Don't forget who you are. Mga anak tayo ni Tatay Dave.
Mismo.